Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, I am one busy mama and I got these Glamnetic lashes in my Boxycharm this month. And today we are going to attempt to put them on. So if you want to see how I put them on, then stay tuned. Also, if you're interested in this look, I did it with the donut palette. Okay. So these are the Glamnetic. Baby Girl is the name of this one. And there are directions for application. So it says to trim them. We're going to trim them. And it says apply magnetic liner on lash line where lashes will adhere. And let's get to it. Okay, so that took about 12 minutes. I think practice will definitely make perfect. This is on. It's okay. But it's the first time using the Glamnetic lashes. This is the Baby Girl one. Let me know what you guys think. Too much of a hassle because it's a little easy to just put this on. I mean, I'll practice because they are pretty. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments, of course. As always, guys, stay safe.